Okay, let's start. This is the heaviest snow we have ever seen over here. This is the view from our balcony, and as you can see these trees, they are heavily loaded with the snow. Like all branches, they are so badly filled up with the snow, and we fear that some of their shots may fall down. And if you see the road, they are cleaning road every 15-20 minutes, but still snow is falling at the rate of 2 inches per hour, and they are not able to cope up with that. And see, it's really scary snow now. See that tree? It's all white, and if you see the accumulation, my goodness, this is the heaviest snow, and my camera is all in snow now. And this close it for